How much does a Maytag service call cost?
There's a joke that an old engineer goes into the plant after the machines he maintained for years start making a noise no one else can diagnose. The guy said he'd want $1 for identifying the source of the noise.
I suppose he just wanted to be proven right.
He walks in, crawls around a little and puts the check mark on the part making the noise and says replace this. Then he gives them an invoice.
How much did it cost?
$1 for the check mark, $9,999 for knowing where to put it.
What does that mean for a Maytag appliance?
You call in a tech for a beeping appliance. It is at least $79 for him to show up, even if he just unplugs it and plugs it back and hits the reset button on the back of the fridge.
That's the basic service call.
If the beeping is due to a malfunctioning control panel, you better hope reset fixes it. If it doesn't, it'll be several $100s for most Maytag appliances.
That's half the cost of most of their appliances.
If you've got a burned-out motor, it'll be $80 to $100 for him to show up, $150 to $300 more for the motor, no matter what appliance it is.
What if something doesn't get to temperature?
Recharging refrigerant in the fridge is $100 for the person and maybe $100 for the refrigerant. Replacing burned-out dryer or oven elements is $100 or $200 just for the parts.
A burnt smell is not always from a burned-out elements.
If you let dust bunnies nest in the dryer vent, it'll be $50 to $100 to remove the dryer lint, whereas a gas leak for a gas dryer could be hundreds.
What if something leaks water?
A cracked tub is several hundred to replace. A broken valve is maybe $200, but labor depends on the time it takes to fix it.
There's always labor. That leaves a bad taste in my mouth.
So try the reset button or unplugging and then replugging in, the appliance equivalent of Control-Alt-Delete on a Windows PC. Then you'll know it takes more than a 2-second switch to fix.